So in our previous lessons, we looked at how we can be working around dates, and then in this tutorial, we want to look at how we can be removing columns and then reordering them, and that's going to be quite short and simple, okay, because we've already done one before. Okay, so going ahead, let's look at this column over here. We just want to maintain just this column, and you remember I told you that you can actually remove one by doing this, and that is the hard way. We can also click on the one we just want to maintain, and then remove other columns. Now selecting this one means we are going to maintain just this column and remove all the other columns. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it, and there we go. Okay, so let's add some more columns and then look at how we can reorder stuffs over here. All right, so let me go ahead and get the year, month. I think the month should do. All right, so let's work with just this theory. Now assuming you want this one to be first, then this second, and this third, that is quite simple. That is how that's what we mean by reordering. Okay, so you just drag it, push it here, leave it there, drag this, push it here. Okay, thank you. That's all for this tutorial.